Today we will discuss about FM generation methods both for narrowband and wideband. In case of narrowband, what we told that beta will be considered very small. Therefore, the derivation of the narrowband FM is standing on two assumptions, that cos of small theta is nearly equal to 1 and sine of very small theta is nearly equals to theta. With these two assumptions, we get the final expression of the narrowband FM like that. Rather, we can approximate it to that, and here is the circuit diagram where the signal is generated. This is the narrowband FM. In case of wideband FM, we cannot do that approximation. There are two methods. One is direct method. We'll discuss a little later. Now we'll discuss about the generation of wideband FM by using a narrowband FM. This is the diagram of narrowband FM where we have used integrator, narrowband phase modulator, crystal control oscillator. It will give me narrowband FM. Or you can use this method also to generate this narrowband FM. After generating the narrowband FM, we will use an important block, that is frequency multiplier, that will multiply the frequency, and also the frequency deviation ratio beta will also increase. Okay, that will be done by this frequency multiplier, and then we will use a mixture to fine tune the exact frequency, and a band pass filter will be used. Okay, now see with an example how it is done, and the circuit, in between circuit of the frequency multiplier is given here, which is nothing but consists of a nonlinear device and band pass with mid-band frequency n into fc. That means if you consider that here you are getting 0.9 megahertz. Here is frequency multiplication, nonlinear device, there may be say square law or anything else multiplied. Whenever it is multiplied, it will have different components, and you need a particular frequency. Therefore, you need a band pass filter to get this n of fc. That means if n is 100 and if you get 0.9 megahertz here, after using the band pass filter, you will get 90 megahertz after the frequency multiplier. Now you need say 89.6 FM, 6 megahertz. How you can do that? That means you need fine tuning from 90, because you cannot make n as fractional. It is expected that you will use n as some integer value. Therefore, it is now say 90. You need 89.6 megahertz. What you will do? You will use a local oscillator and you will use the mixer that will generate you the desired frequency for forecasting or any other. Now, besides, there is a direct method to generate wideband FM or general FM. That is, you need a LC coupled circuit along with a varactor diode. The basic principle of varactor diode is shown here. What it is on the principle, it is it behaves. It is used in the reverse bias, and you know when it is used in the reverse bias, the depletion region here generated is increases with the change or increase in voltage. Using this principle, an LC coupled generate an oscillatory signal, we have generated the FM direct signal. That means for that, whenever we are not using this varactor diode, what is the total capacity frequency of oscillation? That is 1 by 2 pi root over L C naught. Okay, but when you are using this varactor diode, in addition to that, which is expressed in terms of epsilon A and W, where W is the depletion region width, A is the area of it, then the total capacitance as they are in parallel is summed up to C naught plus del C into MT. That means here the message signal will be applied, and here the message signal will be applied, and if you can see that the capacitance here depends on the change in the message signal. Okay, therefore depending on that, capacitance value will change, C1 will change, and you will get the total capacitance here. Therefore, the instantaneous frequency that will be generated for the FM signal will be 1 by 2 pi root over L of total capacitance, whose after some expansion by linear minus 1 by 2 here it is coming. So after some approximation we can get it. The instantaneous frequency expression is Fc 1 minus del C divided by 2 C naught into mt. However, this frequency is not stable due to several parameters, like change in any value of LC may change the frequency. That's all. Thank you.